Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you're both safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you two super cute rose gold Dollar Tree DIYs. Now let's get started. For DIY number one, I'm using Dollar Tree rub-on transfers, glitter paper, and a hardcover book. I'm going to add lamination sheets over these so that the rub-on transfers stay in place over time. But for now, here's how I'm styling them for the holidays. In hindsight, I should have made my bow and then attached it to my books, but here's how DIY number 1 turned out. For DIY number 2, I'm using this Dollar Tree tinsel Christmas tree and 6 packs of mini rose gold ornaments. As you can see, now that my ornaments are in place, I've got tons of small spaces. You can hide these spaces by adding small bells or by stuffing them with tinsel, but I've decided to use this Dollar Tree table scatter. Dollar Tree does not sell rose gold table scatter, so I've decided to make my own using Dollar Tree glitters in the color pink, silver, and gold. I hot glued a small amount of the silver tinsel that I removed from the original tree. I then used a dry paintbrush and my heat gun to remove the glue strings. To complete the project, I added my Dollar Tree lights, stuffed in the remaining silver tinsel, and here's how DIY number 2 turned out. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.